coverage you can count on with meteorologist Rob Elvington and the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
And as Alex mentioned, we have that next Trash Pandas game here this evening at 6:35. And of course, it's a baseball field. You got to have that tarp ready. And they had it ready last night after that win. Field should be just fine because we will be drying things out through the rest of this morning and into this afternoon. Of course, they'll take that tarp off. And even a beautiful kind of sunrise here this morning. Sun came up in the last 20 minutes, but it's starting to see quite a few breaks in the cloud cover as all the heavy rain and thunderstorms from overnight continue to race off to the south and southeast. And you'll actually notice that we do have some clouds still lingering in the area, but quite a bit of sunshine just off to our north. So we should see some breaks here and there all the way through this afternoon. Still a few lingering showers, mostly east of I-65 as you get closer to Sand Mountain. You'll notice that these are pretty small and they're also moving pretty quickly to the southeast. So this little burst of rain just passing right over top of Highway 72, right over top of Hollywood. And again, that'll be off to the south here in the next 5 minutes. And we'll start to see Highway 72 drying out in Jackson County. Planning your day for the rest of your Saturday as we start this holiday weekend. Temperatures in the upper 60s to near 70 by lunchtime. Still keeping a 10% chance in place through the rest of this morning, but most areas should be dry through at least lunch. Then by this afternoon, we start to warm up to the low to mid 70s, and that cold front that's moving through right now, it's going to be just off to our south, kind of stalling out closer to Birmingham. And with that fuel from highs in the mid 70s and that cold front so close by, we could see some more thunderstorms here later this afternoon, this evening, though the chances are much higher as you head further off to the south. Thankfully, we're not expecting severe weather for the rest of your Saturday and into early Sunday morning. This is the latest outlook from the Storm Prediction Center. You'll notice the yellow on the map. It does make it all the way up to Birmingham, but that's basically where it stops. So you'll notice that we are outside of the severe threat today, though we could still see some thunderstorms that could still bring heavy rain and gusty winds. For tomorrow, you'll notice that I start the forecast right around 5 o'clock. A lot of folks may be heading out early for that Easter sunrise service. We'll have those chances for scattered thunderstorms even before sunrise tomorrow, and we'll continue to see those chances all the way into your Sunday afternoon. But like today, that severe risk is still off to our south and southwest. So some more good news even for Sunday. Of course, we don't want to see the rain or the storms, but at least we're not tracking the threat of severe storms. So here's future radar. This is 9 o'clock this morning. Again, all that rain now off to our south. We'll let this run through lunchtime. Again, seeing mostly dry conditions, though there is some thunderstorms just off to our west. I can't stress this enough. The model that I chose for this morning, it is one of the most active ones for today. Several of the models that I've looked at keep a lot of the storms off to our south, closer to Birmingham. But I wanted to show you what's possible. So yeah, you can see that big line of storms racing through North Alabama with most of that staying just south of the Tennessee River. So just missing Madison and of course Toyota Field at first pitch at 6:30. But again, this is one of the more active forecast models. We could see much drier conditions for today. 9 o'clock this evening, still seeing some lingering isolated showers and storms. Then through the overnight hours, we're starting to see the map filling back in. And we'll continue to see that chance for scattered showers and storms through your Sunday morning and into your Easter afternoon. A little bit of a break into Easter afternoon, but there's the back edge of the next front coming in by 1 a.m. on Monday morning. Once that clears before sunrise on Monday, we're back to dry conditions. And at this point, it looks like we should be okay for that first morning commute of the work week next week. Rainfall outlook, this goes all the way through Friday, so through the next 6 to 7 days. And most of what you see on the map, that occurs over the next 48 hours. Because look at the rain chances once we get past Monday morning. We're dry Tuesday, we're dry Wednesday. Just a 20% chance for some pop-up showers and storms on Thursday. And you'll notice that we're back in a warming trend after bottoming in the mid-60s. We're in the highs close to 80 by Friday of next week.